How to hide names on notifications on Android. So launch the Settings application and then go to Notifications. Then select Lock Screen Notifications and make sure to select Hide Content. So with this, only the application from which you've received the notification is shown on your lock screen, meaning to say the content of that notification is hidden. But if you also want to hide the notifications content while you're using your phone, so from here just go back and then select App Notifications. So say for example, I want to hide the notification content in Messenger. So I will use the search icon located on the top right corner for easy navigation. And then from here, select In-App Notification Settings. Then tap the toggle button beside Notifications Previews to hide the name and message. And so that is how you hide names on notifications on Android. Thank you and have a great day.